Yeah.
And it would be it.
Shoot just a little bit. Miss spin your around once, okay? Spin you around. Okay. Now, try to put your pigtail on the wall.
Whoa. Are you serious? Caden, how did you do that? Could you see? Could you see through it?
Could you see the piggy? I had it over her whole head.
She went straight to it.
Wow.
Are you psychic?
That
scared?
was pretty amazing.
Look, I want to record that. Where's she put it? There's an X under that.
She said, yeah, she could see.
Look. See the X?
You could see